Today, I'll show you step by step how to replace a bathroom faucet the right way. Easy, clean, and leak-free. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn off water supply. First things first, turn off your shutoff valves under the sink. If your valves are a little old or stiff, always make sure both the hot and cold water lines are fully closed before you start. Step 2. Disconnect water lines. Now, go ahead and disconnect the supply hoses from the faucet using an adjustable wrench. Keep a small bucket or towel underneath. A little leftover water might drip out. Step 3. Remove old faucet. Next, look underneath the sink and find the black plastic mounting nut that holds your old faucet in place. Loosen that nut by hand or with a basin wrench. Once that's off, you can lift the old faucet straight out from the top. Step 4. Prep and install new faucet. Before setting the new faucet, clean the sink surface so it seals properly. Then feed the faucet hoses through the mounting hole and tighten the mounting nut underneath to secure it in place. Pro tip: make sure the faucet is centered before tightening completely. Step 5. Connect supply lines. Now reconnect your hot and cold hoses. Make sure each line goes to the correct valve. Snug them up with a wrench, but don't over-tighten. Hand tight plus a small turn is perfect. Step 6. Flush and test water. Before you run the faucet, remove the aerator. Then turn the water back on and let it run for about a minute. This helps flush out any sediment from the new faucet. Once the water runs clean, turn it off and reinstall the aerator. Step 7. Check for leaks. Now, check under the sink for any leaks around your supply lines, trap, or faucet base. If everything's dry, awesome, you did it right. And that's it, your new faucet is installed and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss another DIY plumbing tip. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.